Good afternoon, Dr. Mokel. I'm here from Tampa, Florida, at home, and I'm about to re-record my presentation after this is probably the 6th attempt. I recorded about 4 versions earlier, but due to technical difficulties, I couldn't upload them in email because the file was too large. So hopefully this technique of using iMovie will work. I hope it will. And first of all, I want to thank you very, very much for allowing me to present my product this way. And thank you for being so understanding that I couldn't do it in person, unfortunately, which sucks because I was really excited to do it in person, using the multimedia room and using my PowerPoint. But I'll send you my PowerPoint along with this attached video. And first of all, I want to thank you so much again, and also I want to let you know that I really enjoyed taking this class, and I actually learned 2 things. First thing is that our world is in terrible shape, and I learned this from the Al Gore movie and from all the research that I did on my project. And second of all, I learned that even though as humans we have so much on our plates and that we're constantly barraged from every side in everyday life with stresses and prior obligations, that we really don't have time to worry about, let's say, the deforestation in a country that we've never visited and that has no effects on our lives. However, by doing the research in this sustainability class, I've realized that as humans and as people who live on this planet, this beautiful planet that we call Earth, it's our duty to do something, even though it's a little thing, every single day, to greatly affect the outcome of our environment. And now I'm going to present on the deforestation in Borneo. I hope you enjoy my presentation, and thank you again for all of your help and for being a great, amazing teacher. Thank you again. Good afternoon. Today I would like to address the topic of the deforestation in Borneo. Borneo is the 3rd largest island in the world, and it is nestled in the South Maritime Pacific. This island is very important because it is one of the most biodiverse areas on the planet. It houses hundreds and thousands of different species of plants and animals, but also houses one of the rarest resources that our Earth has to offer, and those are natural rainforests. As you can see by these pictures, the sheer beauty of the rainforest is breathtaking. And you can use your imagination to think of how beautiful it must be to be in one of these rainforests, to stand around and look at all of the lush green trees, and to hear the cries of the tropical animals, and to smell the smell of what a rainforest, all the dripping wet humidity, and all this beauty. However, this beauty is disappearing. And these rainforests don't look like the pictures I just showed you, but rather they look like this. These barren wastelands populate the island more and more as the deforestation crews go through and fell all of these rainforests. Now, why is this deforestation happening, you might ask? Well, recently, palm oil, a naturally occurring cooking oil, has been found to be a viable biofuel that can replace our dependency on fossil fuels. Also, the burning of palm oil is much healthier for the environment and reduces carbon and greenhouse gas emissions that fossil fuels emit. And the island of Borneo Since the palm oil plant is a naturally occurring plant in this tropical area, the island of Borneo is now being used to create plantations for this palm oil and to excavate it so that it could be used in the world.